What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Sugar Salon TV. It's M. Williams, your licensed master stylist with many years in the industry. I'm doing some box braids here on the birthday girl. Box braids. So this is just a traditional box braids. This is a brief video. It's not long at all. I hope you'll stay and watch it till the end. Anyway, hope you guys having a blessed new year. I am. So with the box braids, they are healthy. The difference between them and the knotless box braids is with the knotless, the reason they call them knotless because there's no knot. You feed the hair in at the root, as opposed to these here. These are traditional box braids, which you can see the knot at the root. So that's the difference. And if you guys could please subscribe or consider subscribing to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not and you're considering subscribing, please do. If you like this video, please like it. Whenever you watch my videos, if you could please give me a thumbs up, that helps my channel grow tremendously. So thanks in advance for your help. And again, if you're considering subscribing, I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much. And here I am on these box braids. You can continue to watch. Thank you so much. So you guys, it's my favorite gel. It's eco. It has, flaxseed oil in it. It's very good, especially when you're braiding. It's my favorite. And the beauty supply that I get it from, sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. So of course I have had to find options, because you know how you have your favorites that you like as far as products are concerned as a hairstylist. And then, sometimes you go, they have it, sometimes you don't. So you have to have some alternatives and some options, like a plan B always. So I do have a plan B as far as, edge controls that I braid with. Because a lot of edge controls, in all honesty, some of them leave a buildup. Some of them leave like the hair white or chalky. So there's all different kinds. So, I'm really particular about the ones that I use. And I like the eco because they have the flaxseed oil and the black castor oil in it, which is excellent for the hair, especially when you're wearing braids. Because sometimes, when you wear braids and you take them out and your hair is all dry, your scalp is all dry and flaky, and you have flakes falling everywhere. My clients, they don't have to deal with that at all, because I'm always cognizant of the edge control that I use, and I'm always making sure that it has something in the hair that's going to hydrate the hair, so that when they have braids, when I braid their hair, they don't have to worry about taking the braids out and having like very dry hair. So the eco, that's my favorite. Again, it has black castor oil and flaxseed oil in the hair. So even if I have braid clients and they come in already shampooed, I tell them, please don't put any oil or anything in your hair. I'm going to put all the products in. I'm going to oil your scalp. I'm always going to do my due diligence. My clients, they know I don't slack on that. And they know I'm very passionate about hair care. And I'm anal about the products that I use. And I'm anal about the health of their hair. Like, I'm very much so. So they don't have to worry about that. So I hope you continue to enjoy this video. And you can scan right here if you like to subscribe to my channel. I make it as easy as possible. When you scan this QR code with your phone, it's going to pop you right up to my channel. And then you can just smash that subscribe button. That's a very easy way to subscribe. So I hope you subscribe. Thanks for your support in advance. Please continue to watch. Thank you so much.
Find me in the thick of it, swimming towards something that I wanted for so long. Never even I needed you this much. I've never been into material things. I'm the type that usually connects to someone's energy, but you're acting used to me. Don't act like you used to around me. Are you getting tired of all my love? I need to know, 'cause baby, when push comes to shove, I need someone around, someone to hold me down. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in everything? 'Cause I wanna know that you'll be here, won't just go ahead and disappear.
So you guys, thank you again so much for continuing to watch. And I'm looking for suggestions from you guys as far as what you'd like to see me do. Again, I'm a licensed hairstylist. So what would you like to see on my channel in the way of vlogging, in the way of travel, in the way of hairstyles? I mean, what would you like to see? If you could drop some comments down below on what would you like to see, or what kind of feedback would you like. If you'd like me to do a live, I do have the option of doing live on my YouTube channel, even though I haven't gotten to the 1,000 subscribers yet. But I do have the option where I can go live. If you want to see some type of live, let me know what type of live you like. If you want to collaborate with me, hit me up. If you want to, someone asked me about a class, a virtual class, just drop your feedback below. I mean, that helps me greatly. Again, I have over 30 years in the industry, and I am a licensed hairstylist. Thank you so much. Please continue to watch, and thank you in advance for subscribing.
Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. Bring me flowers. Won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. Bring me flowers, flowers, flowers. And please tell me you still think of me, detailed and intricately. Does your heart still beat to the sound of my name? 'Cause I remember that we both promised to never leave a love like this. So tell me that you still feel the same. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. Bring me flowers. Won't you bring me flowers, baby? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. Bring me flowers, flowers, flowers.
You guys, I hope you like this finished look. It's traditional box braids. Thanks for watching.